Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn about the plant Ranapala. The scientific name of this plant is Bryophyllum pinnata. It is also called as air plant. It is a popular house plant. It has several health benefits. In Sanskrit, it is called as Pashana Beda, means dissolver of stones. Dissolver of stones. So, in Ayurveda and in naturopathy, this plant leaves used as medicine to treat the kidney stones. This plant has dark, greeny, fleshy leaves. Dark, greeny, and fleshy leaves. This plant also classic example of vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means it produces small plantlets on the edges of these leaves. Here observe this one. It produces small plantlets from the leaves. The plant which give small plantlets from the leaves or from the stem or from the roots are called vegetative propagation. So, this Bryophyllum pinnata or Ranapala is the best example for vegetative propagation through leaves. Okay. By this vegetative propagation, this plant rapidly reproduce and adapt to its environment. Okay children, all of you very well known about this plant. All of you see around our houses, it is a medicinal plant and best example for the vegetative propagation. Thank you.